Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. I've got a large Sebenza 31 custom graphic, and this is for the Lunar Landing, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check it out. This is the new Reeve knives box. It comes with this leather pouch, which is pretty cool, and then you've got some nice leaflet with a postcard for your warranty, actually. That's to register your knife. Some Sebenza 31 specs. You can see how this guy can be assembled, and that's super cool of them to include also this exploded view. Then you're gonna have your COA, like certificate of authenticity with the date of birth, a nice decal, and just the holder for the leaflet, of course. Package is complete. This guy is gonna come with Reeve knives fluorinated grease and some Loctite for your pivot. Of course, you're gonna get Reeve knives cloth, and inside you're gonna find, guess what? Your beautiful, look at this guy, Sebenza 31. This is the Lunar Landing edition, so it's a custom graphic design. This guy is a titanium frame lock, of course. You have a beautiful finish, guys. Would you look at this? This is just fantastic. Overall length of this guy, this is a large Sebenza 31. So overall length of this one is going to be 8.35 inches with a blade length of 3.625 inches, and it's the handle is going to be 4.75 inch long. Fantastic titanium frame lock. This is a classic. This is, of course, like a special edition. Look at this guy. This is just fantastic. In this case, this guy comes with dual gold anodized thumb studs. The back is fully blasted, and the front side, the show side, has just this pretty cool graphic with the astronaut landing on the moon. And this is a really interesting knife, guys. Of course, it's the Sebenza 31, just the updated version of the 21, and let's just check how this guy is gonna weight in your pocket. Is gonna be 4.8 ounces, so it's pretty dense. It's not that heavy, but it feels like fantastically in your hand. This guy is sporting S35VN steel with 59-60 Rockwell scale hardness, stone wash, drop point blade, plain edge. Would you look at that? Nice and sterile looking blade. Hollow grind on this guy is just out of this world. Fantastic crowning on the spine. I mean, this is just a gorgeous knife, guy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.